Welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to make histogram in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So firstly, select the data which you want to convert in histogram. So after selecting the data, so here you can see insert option, so just click on it. So after this, here you can see in chart box statistic chart, so just click on it. So after this you can see histogram, so here you can select anyone according to you. I am selecting first one. So after this you can see the data is converted to the histogram chart. So if you want to change the chart title, then double click the left side of mouse, and here you can see change options, so you can change it according to you. So after changing, press enter button. So you can see the chart title is changed. So if you want to change the size of histogram, so you can see small circle at the corner, then press the left side of mouse and drag to according to your need. So you can see the size is changed. So if you want to change the position of histogram, then place the cursor on the histogram, then press the left side of mouse and drag to according to your need. So you can see the position is changed in this way. So if you want to change the chart style, so you can see chart design, so just click on it and you can see different options of chart style. So you can select anyone according to you. So after changing, so you can see here you can also change the chart color. So when you will click on chart design, in chart design you can see change color options. So when you will click on it, so you can see you can change the chart color. So guys, in this way you can make a histogram in Excel and you can change the chart title, chart size, chart position and chart color. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.